Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
I'm real cheesy, like, because I'm so excited, like, and I'm trying really hard, and I know.
So anyways, let me just get to it, okay? I finally decided to sign up for Ipsy. So let me tell you, when I clicked on that link, that was the worst mistake of my life. I started scrolling down Facebook and here comes Birchbox, here comes this, here comes that. It like everything came up on and I'm like, yeah, like I want to do it all, like all of it. Like, give it to me.
I just keep him satisfied.
So I was on the internet the other day on Facebook, and you know what they do to you on Facebook with those advertisements. So I'm on there and I'm looking, and you know, like I've seen Ipsy bags and like things like that, you know, like I've seen those subscriptions every month. You get something new, a little sample items and stuff to try out. Like, I thought that was really cool. It's like as soon as you click something, and I swear, like if you say it out loud, if you type it in a message, if you type it in backspace and don't even send it, it's like they know, they're watching you. I don't know. After I put in that Ipsy subscription, I was so excited for the Ipsy bag, yay! And then I find out that I'm not gonna get it until April, like, so mind you, I did this March 6th, I think it was, and I was like really upset, like, dang, I gotta wait I thought I got there early enough, like, you know, maybe they'll send it out still, like maybe I made it. But no, of course, so I'm like, okay, that's cool, whatever. But then I came across this ooh la lash box. I said, oh no, oh no, because if anybody knows me, these eyelashes on my face right now, they don't come off. Like, I mean, if I take my eyelashes off, I'm putting them right back on. Or I'm putting something else right back on, or some eyelashes right back on. Like, I take showers in my eyelashes. I go swimming in my eyelashes. I don't swim that often, but like literally I do everything with my eyelashes. Like, I really just don't like being without my eyelashes, and it's just become something that I do now. When I tell you that box popped up, I did not hesitate. I had to get it. Lashes? Come on now. What the heck? So I signed up that same day as the Ipsy bag, and this came a week later. What was it? I think it was like, I did it on the 6th. It couldn't have been the 6th because I just got it on the 8th. Because that's too quick. No, but it was like really fast. I don't remember what day it was that I like put in for the Ipsy bag and this box. On the same day though. And I got this already like a week later, I promise you. So I got my LashyBox, and so like I said, it said when I looked it up, it was ooh la la lashes. So I put a sticker over it and they changed it to LashyBox. So I can't wait to open it, y'all. Like, for real, like I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So LashyBox, this was, y'all, give me a minute because let me go get my phone. Come on now, pull on over. The phone is dead. Like, great. So let's pause then, you know, let's just talk about something else. Let's talk about these hairs. Let's talk about that, okay? Like, I don't know what to do. Like, the curls came back when I did my treatment in my last video. The curls was popping. They was popping. They knew what they was doing. They was acting right. And then all of a sudden, it's like, it just continued to way down. I don't know. I have this Indian healing clay. I was gonna try on my hair and do like a little, you know, hair mask thing. But I'm just wondering if I should just cut it. These curls right here, it's kind of like, you know, it's not doing too bad. Like right here, I feel like this right here, this can go. this can go. Let me know in the comment section if I should just cut it, you know, like, should I just cut it? Let's get in the box. Like, why are we waiting? What are we waiting for? Lene, come on. So it says $50 to $80 worth of things that come in your box, and the box is $13.99. And then they add on, which was weird. I did not appreciate that. They're gonna tell me $13.99. I went through, I did everything, and then at the end they're gonna say, oh, we're gonna add a $2.50 shipping. Like, that didn't happen with Ipsy. Ipsy said free shipping, whatever. And maybe because where I live, I don't know. I live in Arizona. It's not that, like, I'm not anywhere special. Like, so I was like, okay. So I ended up spending like $16, $17 maybe, something like that, around $16, $17. So you either choose the regular LashyBox, you get the mini LashyBox, and then they have, let me tell you about it, the drama LashyBox. So it's like, what does it say? Bold dramatic lashes. So each box contains 3 super fluffy dramatic mink lashes. So like, that's like it flying away, okay? And I like me some big lashes. I like to fly sometimes, but I need, you know, I just got the regular box. From what I saw, they give you at least like 1 mink lash, and it ain't like, you know, fluffy fantastic, but it's, we're gonna see. So yeah, so $13.99. You have the option to pay ahead for a few months. You could pay for the whole year. You have that option as well. So let's open her up. Y'all, I just love a box opening. I just like to open boxes. Give me a box and tell me there's something special in it. I'm gonna be excited, okay? So the first thing that is in this thing is cute. It's cute. Look. Okay, that's cute. Anyway, so first thing I see is Appeal. So I'm guessing that Appeal Cosmetics like sponsored this box. I'm not sure. I don't know what that means. And then we have a LashyBox card. And I think it's just like sending you their information for their social media. So first thing I'm going to pull out, because I'm not sure what it is. So it looks like some glitter. Pearl White Appeal Pigment. Poudre Éclat. If anybody knows me, I love to pronounce different languages. I love to try it. I love to try it out, okay? Oh, you see it? Oh, I guess you can't see it. The glitter is flying already instantly, okay? It's literally just loose glitter. Sprinkle it on top. Now next, we have these LashyBox 3D Silk Lashes. The name of these is Lulu. These are cute. Okay. Cute. Cute, cute. So I would not choose these. But that's what the box is for. I told myself I needed to get out of my regular plain lashes. That's why I got the box, because I want them to force me to try something new, okay? What is this? Phenomenal? Phenomenal? Phenomenal. Phenomenal mink lashes. Phenomenal beauty. Life is good when your lashes are on point, okay? That is a funny name, okay? Phenomenal. You see that? Phenomenal. So I'm about to take these out the box because I can't really see them. But they're looking real fluffy. Oh, oh, oh. Can you see it? Wow. Those are mighty pretty. Wow. Oh, but I don't know, like, see, I've never gotten these mink lashes. They're looking a little nappy. Like a little, I guess that's what it's supposed to do. Let me just stop being an amateur, okay? Because they all look, the whole lash looks like that. So I guess, let me stop being an amateur, okay? So next, wow, this is too cute. It's like an eyelash pop. So these are the two different ones. These are mighty small compared to these. Like, wow. Like short, I mean. But those are both really pretty, really cute. This is a night out, like on the town, in the club, flying away, flying past all these niggas, okay? And this is like every day. I don't know what's wrong with me, yo. Okay, so look at what they did. Because they said, why would we give you lashes without some lash glue? Like, and how am I supposed to get down to the bottom of that with this? Like, this thing is barely, you know, I like the idea, but I got some. That's okay, thank you. I don't think this is gonna work for me. Okay. Cute! So it has a LashyBox sticker on it, and it's just like some lash tweezers. Lash tweezers, and let me tell you, this is heavy. It's heavy, durable, metal, and it's pink. And that's all that's in the box. That's it. So I would I'm definitely gonna like keep my subscription with them, of course, because they're sending me eyelashes and like a little bonus. Got some glitter and some tweezers. Like, what's next? I'm excited. I'm really excited for next time already. Again, please, seriously, y'all, just let me know if I should just cut this off for real, because like it's annoying. But anyway, that was my LashyBox for the month of March. Honestly, I think that I got my money's worth for what, you know, like for this box. I really do. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 lashes, some eyelash, this, and the glue. And with the minks, I heard these are expensive, girl. I don't know how minky these really are, but we gonna find out. But yes, I'm happy. I can't wait to try these eyelashes. I'm so happy just to have eyelashes waiting for me to put on, like. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And then don't forget to like look out for some more LashyBoxes, because they're coming every month, okay? And I'm excited for that. I'm excited for the next one already. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Hit me up, okay?